My name is Amaya Reed. I'm a senior. I'm a flyer, and I've been cheering for 10 years.
My name's Alicia. I'm a senior, and I'm a bass, and I've been cheering for 6 years.
Hi, my name is Reagan Bishop. I'm a senior. I've been cheering for 12 years, and I'm a flyer.
Hi, I'm Logan Crandall. I'm a senior. I've been cheering for 6 years, and I'm a floor girl.
We were in the middle of a full out. We were in cheer and we're about to go to fight song, and my stunt falls, and my bass Cynthia literally is on the floor dead. She's dead. I literally thought she was injured. So I was and then Alicia had my shoe in her hand. And I was just oh my gosh, Cynthia's dead. So I throw my palms and I throw my shoe because I was we're gonna stop. And we kept going. So Cynthia gets up and we go to fight song, and I have one shoe on and I had to do a back tug with one shoe.
I don't think people realize how much we do at practices.
People just think we cheer on the sidelines, but they also don't know we compete, and we're actually pretty good.
The hardest thing about cheer is full outs, which is where we do our whole routine, and you're constantly spiriting and jumping and yelling, and you do not get a break. The only break you get is after the routine is done, and it's super hard. You have to push through your tiredness, and in order to score high, you have to be really good and impress the judges.
And for me, the hardest part about cheer is definitely the mental aspect. For example, if my stunt falls, I get so in my head and overthink everything. Cheer is very mentally draining.
My favorite part of cheer is team bonding. I love my team every year, but this year is really special because I'm a senior and our team is very senior heavy. There's literally 11 seniors.
My favorite part about cheer that makes it all worth it is getting the title that we deserve. Because with all those practices and with all those full outs, getting second place at state really made it worth it because we put in that work.
My favorite moment from this season is definitely the bus ride back from our first competition. It was UCA regionals and we won first, and we did not think we were gonna win first. And the bus ride back, we were so excited and so proud and just playing hype music, and it was just so fun.
My favorite moment was last week at UIO. We just competed at finals and we hit and we did so good, and I walked off the mat for the last time and I just was crying tears of joy, and I was so proud of everyone of their hard work.